All right. Welcome everybody to Statistics, Lesson 11.
Thank you.
Lovely statistics.
How are you doing, Josh?
Good.
Did you get to do all the stuff for the previous lessons?
Yeah, for the most part. I don't even remember. I know I took the quiz. That's about it. And I read the chapter and stuff, but I don't think I did the prep assignment.
All right. Well, did any of you have questions on the prep assignment for this lesson?
No, I noticed that it's basically the finding the t-score, right? The t-score versus the t-score. Or wait, that was 11.
Did either one of you have any questions, Josh or Leah?
No.
I didn't do the prep assignment. I looked over it and I read the chapter and I watched the videos, but I didn't actually do the assignment.
Oh, okay. Well, are you guys ready for the group quiz?
Sure.
Yeah.
My iLearn signed me out, so I just get into that. Is number 3, we assume standard deviation is unknown?
That's what I put.
Yes, that's what I did as well.
And 4 is no.
Yeah.
No, it is not known.
It is not known. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a notebook.
Okay. Yeah, because it tells us right in the question, standard deviation or the sigma, yeah, the standard deviation is not known. Then it says, is it known? I like those ones. When we have to calculate, those are the ones. And then what is the value of it, of t? Number 5, okay. So we just use that formula.
Are you guys on question 5 or what are you on?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, we're still on question 5.
I got 1.5.
You said you got 1.5?
Yeah.
Okay, so did you get it by 11 minus 8
Uh-huh.
divided by 6 divided by the standard deviation of 9?
The square root of 9?
I mean, yeah. That's what I
Yeah.
meant. Okay. It just takes me a lot longer. Like just a lot slower than than you guys. I just have to go through each little step. Okay. Okay, so that's exactly I got that too.
Yeah.
1 point. So what you got, Leah?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we have to go pull the data from body temp. Okay. Oh, never mind. It's just right there, right? We don't have to pull it from body temp. We just copy and paste it.
Why? I can't copy that.
Yeah, I can't either. Let's see. Yeah, it's not letting me. Dang it.
I think that it's like the first 20 values of the body temp, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, because the Excel document that the body temp document has 149 body temperatures, so I'm sure that's not as. I'm sure the ones that they gave us isn't 149. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, that's the first 20. Doesn't the online lesson give us the X bar?
But it might be different because it's just these 20 ones. The 20.
Right. I guess you're right.
What did you get for the mean?
I got 98.22.
Why do I have 42.895?
I got 98.17. You got 98.22. But it's something wrong. You got in the 40s?
Yeah, but I still had values in there from past problems, and
Oh,
so I'm like from the prep assignment, so I'm undoing.
oh, okay.
Okay, I undid everything, so hopefully now when I go to put everything in, it should not be there. And I can get the correct mean.
Oh, I think I have an extra 98 in there. Let me see if this does it.
And it was the first 20 values out of the body temp data sheet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yay! Okay.
What did you get?
I
98.22?
got 98.220.
Yeah.
Okay.
That
We'll
sounds
go with
right.
that. Two of you got that. I didn't.
But I
I'll
have
go.
more than 20 values in there, but I don't know how they got in there because I only highlighted the first 20.
Does it say that there's 24?
Mine says
Under N.
like in the A box.
Like the
No. Yeah, just like on A, like
on
how
A.
yeah, like the column A has your last number on 24. I think it's because the first 4 aren't being used.
Yeah, that would be why.
My last number is on 48, so I think it's because I still have values in here. Okay, now it should be good. But I still got
98.220.
Yes.
I wonder if you just put them in twice.
Well, it had, I don't know how to clear it from, like when you're done with a problem. How do you clear the boxes? Okay, I got it now. I think I'm just going to have to hit the undo button a lot.
I usually just empty mine out and then I just close it and it says, do you want to save? And I never save it.
And that's what I've done, like when I close it, but I've had it open all day.
Oh.
So, yeah, I started the lesson just a couple hours ago. Which means S is 0.922, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Just want to make sure that at least those are correct, which means everything else should be correct.
Make sure you don't forget to put in the null hypothesis. I forgot to do that at first.
Oh,
Oh,
And then
thank you.
you have to put in less than.
Shoot.
Oh.
With my p-value, I got 0.040. So
Mhm.
wouldn't that mean that we reject the null?
Yes.
Okay. Just making sure I'm on track.
And did you get negative 1.843 for the t-score?
Yes.
Sweet.
yeah. Negative 1.843.
Yeah, negative 1.843.
Yeah, that's what I got. So wait, what did you get for the p-value? Was that
0.040. That's what I put.
Oh, yeah.
What was the S again?
I think it was 0.922.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Negative?
No.
Oh, I thought you said. Okay. It's like what?
Okay. So for the next one, still had the null hypothesis as 98.6, and it came out with a really big, like an extremely small p-value. So I didn't understand how you could round to 3 decimal places without having it be 0.
For the next ones, the null hypothesis is 40.
Okay. So I got a p-value of 0.995.
That's what I got too.
Okay.
I gotta go real quick.
Okay, so 0.995, which means you fail to reject the null hypothesis. When you change it to less than, it decreases the p-value, but not enough to reject the null hypothesis, correct? Because it's still 0.5.
Right.
Okay.
So 14 is fail to reject.
Yes.
Okay.
When you decrease it, it just goes down to 0.5.
Okay. What did you get on that last, on the mean? When you plug in all the numbers, did you get, I think there's something wrong with my sheet. Is it 40.048 if you round it up?
On which one?
Just, it's not even on a question, but I just wanted to know what you got on the mean for this. When you plugged in all the numbers?
40.048 is the mean. That's what I have.
I have too.
Okay,
What did I miss? Anything?
Okay, 40.048. Okay. It wasn't a question. I just wanted to make sure I was using the right mean. Okay.
What question are you guys on?
Sorry, that was, okay, where did you leave off?
I left off at question 10, actually. It was fail to reject the null hypothesis. Is that right, 10?
10.
Or was it reject?
10 is reject.
Okay.
When the p is low, reject the null.
Right.
Mhm.
And then if it's above the 0, or if it's above the alpha, then you fail to reject it.
And the p-value was 0.040?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Cool. And then number 11 was 0.995.
Yes. And so in 12, we decided to fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Because it was higher than alpha.
Yeah.
It was, yes, higher than 0.01.
Okay.
And then the next one on the chart, you leave all the numbers the same, but you change the type of test to less than.
Less than 40.
And that will decrease the p-value and bring it down to 0.5023.
Mm-hmm.
And then it wants to know if you would still fail to reject the null hypothesis or reject the null hypothesis, and it's still above 0.01. So we, again, fail to reject it. And then for the next one, we need to change the confidence level to 95% or 0.95. And look at the confidence intervals that are listed. And I have 23.499 for the lower limit and 56.597 for the upper limit.
I've got to.
You said 23.449?
23.499.
499.
I don't know if I said that wrong. Sorry if I did.
You probably said it right, and I totally misheard you.
And 56.597.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of tedious copying and pasting all the values into these charts, but it's kind of nice to not have to really do formulas and stuff.
Right.
Just have to know how to read the chart.
And how to use Excel, which I'm still kind of like very much a beginner trying
Yeah.
to understand it.
It's probably been a year since I've had to use Excel for a class.
I have never had to use an Excel for a class, so I'm like, what is this? But it's good so far. Not too bad.
Okay, I just need to go back. Somehow I missed 6. I'm not sure how I did that. Let's see. Yeah, so what did you get for number 6?
That was the one where I couldn't find my mean, and it was 98.220.
Because it's also the third decimal place.
Oh, I see it there. Okay. And then 7 is 0.922. 8 is negative 1.843.
Mm-hmm.
And then 9, 0.040.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. I
Wait,
think
7 is 0.922, right?
0.922.
Okay. Sweet.
Oh yeah, I'm just putting zeros in front of it. Which we decided didn't matter. Right? We still get it right. Okay.
I don't think it.
Good job, everyone. We got 100%. Even those questions that have 0.5 out of 0.5 points. Did you watch the recording, Josh?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Last time we thought the 0.5s, the half points,
Uh-huh.
we thought we got it half wrong.
Oh.
And we could not figure it out. We did each problem over again and could not figure it out. And then I was looking at it and it hit me that that's a whole fraction, a 0.5 out of 0.5. Yeah.
That means we got it right. Yeah.
All right.
So all right.